name is Mohammad Shahzad. I am a student of BCAQ 4th Sem Batch 3. Today I am going to deliver a presentation on the topic name is SQL set operations. So now I will first explain what is SQL set operations. So basically SQL set operation, it is used to combine the result two or more select a statement in a single statement. There are basically three types of operation: union, union, all, or intersect. So now I will explain one by one. First, union. Unions means a combined result data from table 1 and table 2 and table 1 and table 2 and remove duplicate values. Next one is the union all. Union all means same as it is unions means a combined data from table 1 and table 2, but one thing different: union and unions all. Unions all means allow duplicate value, but union it is a remove duplicate value. Next one is a intersect. Intersect means return only a common element both queries. Next one is this is a syntax of union. So first select column 1 and column 2 from table 1 and select column 1 and column 2 so table 1 and table 2 name Rahul and Saf, and second one is the Saf and Tina. So this is input, this is delete the duplicate values, display Rahul and Saf, as you can see. Next one is a union all. Unions all means combine data from table and table 2, but it is allow duplicate values like as you can see Rahul and Saf and then Saf and Tina. So Rahul Saf and 2 times display Saf, because with Saf it is a duplicate value. Next one is the intersect. Intersect basically return common element both queries. So Rahul and Saf and then Saf and Tina. So this is only display common element Saf, because both table are include 2 times Saf and Saf. Next one is a comparison between union versus union alls and intersect. So first union. So union does not allow duplicate value, means remove duplicate value. Union all allow duplicate value, or intersect are also remove duplicate value. And next one is a union all rows and columns are display, and unions all rows from both queries, and intersect basically return common data. Next one is a performance of union. Union all intersect. So union it is a slower and union all fast, and intersect it is a moderate, means high performance too. And next one is a MySQL support. Basically union and union all or intersect. So union are also support MySQL and union all, but intersect are not accept MySQL. Basically union basically intersect it is a moderate or high performance, but in early days developers develop the MySQL, so it is a easy and high performance, but intersect it is a high operation. So it is alternative use inner join or in. Next one is a SQL server support. So this is a yes matlab unions yes or union all. Yes. So now I will give one example with the help of union or union all. So as you can see, I have already created one a database name is the column database 2. Next one is the use college database. This line it is used to select database to perform the operation of in this database. Next one is a create table. So this line it is used to create table with the two record ID or names. And next one is a student B table. Next one is a insert data. Insert data means this is line it is used to insert record which record into a table student A and student B. Next one is the I will perform the union all or intersect. So now let me run this query. So this is the display on the John, Rahul, Sita, and John. Basically John it is a enter 2 time, but unions remove the duplicate value. Next one is a union all. Union all basically what do? Unions basically allow duplicate value, means John Rahul, John, then again enter John, then Rahul, then Sita John, and then John. So this is the union always allow duplicate value, but union does not allow duplicate value. Next one is a intersect. So basically intersect are not allowed to MySQL, but alternative use in or inner join. So I have used inner. So this is, so basically it is display the only John, because because a table 1 and table 2 include only John, means it is display the it is display the a common element. So, and now I would conclude this presentation. So this is a summary of this presentation. Unions basically merge two queries and remove duplicate values. And next one is a unions all, means merge two queries and allow duplicate value. But intersect, it is a basically return common element both queries. So that's all from my side. Thank you everyone.